What if you couldn't trust what you see or hear anymore? What if reality, as you know it, could be manipulated at will? Welcome to the captivating yet controversial world of deepfakes, where artificial intelligence merges with reality, blurring the lines of what's real and what's not. Here we grapple with the concept of deepfakes, a sophisticated form of synthetic media that uses deep learning techniques to create highly realistic yet entirely fabricated footage. The birth of this technology has opened a Pandora's box of possibilities and challenges, transforming the way we perceive reality. From reshaping the entertainment industry to spawning a new wave of misinformation, deepfakes have left an indelible mark on society. Their impact, both positive and negative, reverberates across sectors, making them a topic of heated discussion and intense scrutiny. So brace yourselves for a fascinating journey as we unravel the intricacies of this AI-powered illusion. Join me as we delve into the fascinating yet potentially dangerous world of deepfakes. In a world of filters and Photoshop, how do deepfakes differ from traditional video editing techniques? An intriguing question that paves the way for a fascinating comparison. Traditional video editing, a practice that has been around for decades, involves a manual process of altering or enhancing footage. Be it color correction, cropping, transitions, or special effects, these modifications rely heavily on the expertise and creativity of the editor. It's a craft that requires skill, precision, and an artistic eye. However, when we shift our gaze to deepfakes, we enter an entirely different realm. The creation of deepfakes is not a manual process, but one that is automated and driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Instead of a human editor painstakingly manipulating each frame, deep learning algorithms do the heavy lifting. These algorithms are trained to analyze and mimic the nuances of the human face and voice, creating synthetic media that is incredibly lifelike and convincing. Deepfakes take the concept of video editing and amplify it exponentially through the power of AI. They're not merely about adding filters or tweaking colors, but about fabricating reality. A deepfake can make a person say or do things they never actually did, with an unsettling level of realism. What's more, the creation of deepfakes doesn't require the same level of expertise as traditional video editing. Anyone with access to the right software and a decent dataset can potentially create a convincing deepfake. This accessibility, combined with the sophistication of the technology, is part of what makes deepfakes both captivating and concerning. So, while traditional video editing and deepfakes both involve manipulation of visual content, the scale and nature of that manipulation are vastly different. Traditional editing alters and enhances existing reality, while deepfakes can fabricate a new one. As we can see, deepfakes take manipulation to a whole new level, creating realistic content that is almost indistinguishable from the real thing. But how exactly are deepfakes created? Well, the process of creating deepfakes is a fascinating blend of technology and art involving three critical steps: data collection, training the model, and fine-tuning. Let's start with data collection. In this initial phase, deep learning models require a plethora of training data. This usually entails hours upon hours of footage featuring the person that the deepfake aims to replicate. The more data available, the more accurate the final product can be. So, essentially, this raw material forms the foundation upon which the deepfake is meticulously built. Moving on to the second phase, we immerse ourselves in the world of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. This innovative system operates on a dual principle. On one side, you have the generator, which is tasked with creating fake content. On the other side, there's the discriminator, whose job it is to evaluate the authenticity of the generator's output. The generator and discriminator continuously challenge each other, leading to multiple iterations until the generator refines its output to produce highly convincing results. It's this adversarial dance that molds the model into an uncanny creator of startlingly authentic deepfakes. But the process doesn't end there. The model then undergoes a phase of fine-tuning, which is all about enhancing the realism of the deepfake. Specific facial expressions, gestures, or voice patterns are matched to ensure a more accurate replication of the target. This meticulous attention to detail is what pushes the boundaries of what is perceptible, creating deepfakes that can easily deceive even the most discerning eye and ear. So you see, the creation of deepfakes is a complex process, involving intricate algorithms and a vast amount of data. It's a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and its ability to weave together a convincing tapestry of reality from a mere thread of illusion. But as we delve deeper into this captivating yet controversial technology, it's essential to remember the ethical concerns that accompany its use. The creation of deepfakes is a complex process, involving intricate algorithms and a vast amount of data. Despite their potential for misuse, deepfakes also have several legitimate uses. Our journey into the world of deepfakes now takes us to the realm of their applications. Far from being merely tools of deception, deepfakes have found their place in various fields, demonstrating their versatility and potential. Firstly, let's turn our attention to the entertainment industry. Filmmakers and content creators are harnessing the power of deepfakes to create realistic scenes, bring characters to life, and even resurrect deceased actors for their roles. This fascinating application of deepfakes allows viewers to experience cinema like never before, pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. Next, we find deepfakes making waves in the world of impersonation. Comedians, actors, and content creators are leveraging this technology to offer novel and entertaining forms of expression. From parodying famous personalities to creating hilarious sketches, deepfakes are opening up a new frontier in the realm of comedy and entertainment. In the arena of language and communication, deepfakes are facilitating seamless dubbing of videos into different languages. By maintaining the lip sync of the original speaker, deepfakes are helping to transcend language barriers and make content accessible to a wider audience. Finally, deepfakes are playing a pivotal role in the advancement of artificial intelligence. By creating diverse datasets, particularly in facial recognition and emotion analysis, deepfakes are driving advancements in AI technology. This contribution is helping to refine AI models and make them more accurate and effective. Despite their potential for misuse, deepfakes also have several legitimate uses. This statement holds true as we've seen how deepfakes can be employed creatively, innovatively, and beneficially in various domains. However, the power of deepfakes is a double-edged sword. While deepfakes can be used for entertainment and innovation, they also introduce a host of ethical concerns. As we move forward with this technology, we must tread carefully, ensuring that the benefits of deepfakes are harnessed while their potential for harm is mitigated. So, what are the ethical concerns associated with the use of deepfakes? This question takes us to the heart of a complex quandary that arises as we venture deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence. As intriguing as deepfakes are, they aren't without their share of ethical issues. First up is the potential for misinformation and fake news. In a world where seeing is believing, deepfakes can sow seeds of doubt and deception. Imagine a convincingly crafted video of a world leader declaring war, or perhaps a celebrity caught in a scandalous act. Both instances are potentially destructive, capable of sparking international conflicts or ruining reputations. Deepfakes can manipulate and fabricate realities, creating narratives that, while highly believable, are entirely divorced from the truth. Moving on, we encounter the invasion of privacy, another prominent ethical concern. With deepfakes, anyone with access to a person's images or videos can create a synthetic replica of that individual, making them say or do things they never did. This violation of personal boundaries is deeply unsettling, as it not only infringes on an individual's privacy, but also can lead to severe emotional and psychological distress. Moreover, deepfakes may also be used for revenge or harassment, intensifying the gravity of their potential misuse. Imagine the trauma of seeing a deepfake video of yourself in a compromising situation circulated on the internet. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? As we grapple with these ethical dilemmas, it becomes clear that the rise of deepfakes calls for a robust legal and societal response. We need comprehensive laws that can address the misuse of deepfakes and protect individuals from their potential harm. We also need to cultivate digital literacy, equipping people with the skills to discern deepfakes from real content. As we can see, the rise of deepfakes presents us with a new set of challenges that we must address as a society. Whether it's combating misinformation, protecting privacy, or ensuring our digital integrity, these are issues we must face head-on in our increasingly interconnected world. Deepfakes, a testament to the advancements in artificial intelligence, are a double-edged sword. They are an embodiment of the marvels of technology, showcasing the power of deep learning and its potential to create incredibly realistic synthetic media. From their intricate creation process involving generative adversarial networks to their diverse applications in entertainment, impersonation, dubbing, and AI training, deepfakes have opened up a new realm of possibilities. However, alongside these fascinating prospects, they also bring forth significant ethical concerns. The potential misuse in spreading misinformation, fabricating fake news, and invading personal privacy underscores the darker side of this technology. As we continue to venture deeper into the AI era, and as deepfakes become increasingly sophisticated, the need for awareness, regulation, and ethical guidelines in their use becomes paramount. In this era of AI and deepfakes, it's more important than ever to question what we see and hear. After all, seeing is no longer believing.